Everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. I've been doing affiliate marketing for almost 10 years now. And recently I've tested DreamHost, Bluehost, Namecheap, and HostGator and Hostinger. And from my experience, I recommend Hostinger as the best hosting for affiliate marketing. What you should focus for in your web hosting is speed first, then backup, good backup, and also affordable prices. Speed is important in order to get higher conversion rates, a good backup in order to not lose your hard work, and also affordable prices to invest the rest of your budget in important things like paid ads or higher conversion WordPress templates, for example, or tools. As you can see, this is one of my accounts on Hostinger. I use the premium web hosting plan. And this is the homepage of Hostinger. To visit Hostinger website, you can use my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/Hostinger. Using my link will definitely support me create more content like this at no extra cost to you. After arriving at Hostinger website, just go to hosting, then web hosting. Scroll down a little bit. As you can see, they offer three plans. The first one called Premium, then Business, and Cloud Startup. For beginners, I recommend that they stick with Premium. It meets our three criteria, which are speed, backup, good backup, and affordable prices. If you want a little bit of more speed or faster speeds, you can go with the Business. Why the Business offer faster speeds than Premium, which is already faster? Because they use NVMe type of storage instead of SSD. We all know that SSD is fast, but NVMe is a recent technology. The second feature that make this business plan faster is this free CDN feature. The CDN is a technology that takes, copy or stores your website in different servers across different continents of the world. This way, if a visitor is visiting your website from Asia, it will not connect to a server in the US. It will be connected to a server near in the same continent. With CDN, browsing your website becomes much faster. The third feature that make this plan faster is the use of the object cache for WordPress. This technology makes a cache of your database. This way, when your website visitor visits your website for the second time, it will retrieve data just from the cache, which is faster. I am now inside my Hostinger account. Let's see my websites. This one is created using Hostinger free website builder. And this third one is built using WordPress. Now let's test the loading speed of these both websites hosted on Hostinger. Let's copy this link. Start test. As you can see, my website or this page loaded in just 1.5 seconds. And let's now test this website build using the website builder. Is fully loaded in under half of a second, which is very good. In terms of speed, I've used Hostinger for years and it's been the fastest of the shared hosting or the fastest web hosting for beginners. Backups with Hostinger or with the premium hosting plan on Hostinger is very easy to work with. You get weekly backups that you can restore to. Just go to backups and just scroll down and you get a list of all of these backups were taken automatically, one per week. To restore to a backup, just click on restore, confirm that you understand everything and click on restore. To download a backup, just click on select and you can download any of these stored backups. You can do the same with databases. To generate a new backup, just click on select and hit proceed. And this is how simple to work with backups on Hostinger. This is my review of Hostinger, or this is my opinion on why Hostinger is the best hosting for affiliate marketing.